It's 6 a.m. Someone's banging on your door. You open it. Federal agents, ICE. They want to come inside. What you say in the next 10 seconds could determine whether you stay in America or get deported. Most people make a fatal mistake. Don't be one of them. Welcome to USA Rights Simplified. I'm here to protect your constitutional rights. Today, we're talking about ICE encounters at your home. Immigration and Customs Enforcement officers have been conducting more home visits in 2025 than ever before. But here's what they don't tell you. You have powerful constitutional rights, even if you're undocumented. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact 4 words to say, what not to do, and how to protect yourself and your family legally. This could save your life in America. Let's get started. When ICE comes to your door, here are the only 4 words you need to say. And they are, I do not consent. Let me say that again. I do not consent. These 4 words are your legal shield. Here's why they're so powerful. Number 1, ICE needs your consent to enter your home without a warrant. If you open the door and let them in, you've given consent. Game over. But if you say, I do not consent, they cannot legally enter unless they have a signed warrant from a judge. Not an ICE warrant, not an administrative warrant, a judicial warrant signed by a federal judge. Number 2, these words protect you legally. Even if ICE enters anyway, the fact that you clearly stated, I do not consent, can help your lawyer challenge the legality of the arrest later in immigration court. Number 3, you don't have to explain yourself. You don't have to say why you don't consent. You don't have to argue. You don't have to prove anything. You simply say, I do not consent, and nothing more. Remember, ICE agents are trained to intimidate you. They may say things like, we have a warrant, or it'll be worse if you don't cooperate. Do not be intimidated. Calmly repeat, I do not consent. Show me the warrant. Now let me walk you through exactly what to do when ICE comes to your door. Step 1, do not open the door. You are not required to open your door to ICE. Speak through the closed door or through a window. Ask, who is it? If they say ICE or immigration, keep the door closed. Step 2, ask, do you have a warrant? If they say yes, ask them to slide it under the door or hold it up to a window so you can see it. Do not open the door to look at it. Step 3,
check without opening.
Check if it's a real warrant. A real judicial warrant will have these things. It will say warrant at the top. It will be signed by a judge. It will have your name and address on it, and it will have a court seal. If it's just an ICE administrative warrant or a deportation order, that is not enough for them to enter your home. You can refuse entry. Step 4, say the magic words. Say, I do not consent to your entry. I am exercising my right to remain silent. I want to speak to a lawyer. Step 5, call a lawyer immediately. Have an immigration lawyer's number saved in your phone right now. If you don't have one, call the National Immigration Hotline. I'll put the number in the description. Step 6, do not sign anything. ICE may try to get you to sign documents. Do not sign anything without a lawyer present. Signing the wrong document can waive your right to see a judge. Step 7, do not lie. If they ask you, are you a U.S. citizen, and you're not, do not lie. Lying to a federal agent is a crime. Instead say, I am exercising my right to remain silent. Step 8, if they enter anyway, do not resist physically. If ICE forces their way in despite your refusal, do not fight them. Do not run. Do not touch them. Keep your hands visible and say, I do not consent to this. Your lawyer will challenge the illegal entry later. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes people make that get them deported. Mistake number 1, opening the door. The moment you open that door, ICE can claim you consented to the encounter. They can push their way in. They can see who else is inside. Keep the door closed. Mistake number 2, answering questions. ICE will ask you, where are you from? Are you a citizen? Who else lives here? Do not answer. You have the right to remain silent. Use it. Mistake number 3, showing them documents. Do not show ICE your passport, visa, or any documents through the door. They can use that information against you. Only show documents to your lawyer. Mistake number 4, letting them search your home. Even if they're inside, you can say, I do not consent to a search. They need a separate search warrant to go through your belongings. Mistake number 5, panicking and running. Running makes everything worse. It can be used as evidence against you. Stay calm, assert your rights, call a lawyer. Let me quickly cover some special situations. Situation 1, ICE stops you on the street or in public. In public, ICE can approach you, but you still have rights. You can ask, am I free to go? If they say yes, walk away calmly. If they say no, you're being detained. Say, I want to speak to a lawyer, and remain silent. Situation 2, ICE comes to your workplace. ICE can enter public areas of a workplace without a warrant. If they approach you at work, you have the right to remain silent and ask for a lawyer. Your employer cannot legally help ICE detain you. Situation 3, you're a green card holder. Even if you have a green card, you still have Fourth Amendment rights. ICE still needs a judicial warrant to enter your home. The same rules apply. Situation 4, you're a U.S. citizen. If you're a U.S. citizen, you can tell ICE, I am a U.S. citizen and I do not consent to this, but you still don't have to open the door or let them in without a warrant. And situation 5, they have a real judicial warrant. If ICE has a real warrant signed by a judge with your name on it, they can legally enter. In this case, do not resist. Let them in. But still say, I want to speak to a lawyer, and remain silent. Do not answer questions. Let's recap the key points. 1, the 4 magic words are, I do not consent. 2, do not open the door. Speak through it. 3, ask to see a judicial warrant. ICE administrative warrants are not enough. 4, exercise your right to remain silent and ask for a lawyer. 5, do not sign anything, do not answer questions, do not show documents. 6, if they enter illegally, do not resist physically. Your lawyer will fight it in court. This information could save you or someone you love from deportation. Please, please share this video with your family, your friends, your community. Everyone needs to know their rights. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. We post new rights education videos every week. In the description below, I've put links to free immigration legal help, the National Immigration Hotline, and a printable Know Your Rights card you can keep by your door. Drop a comment if you have questions. I read every single one. Remember, knowledge is power. Know your rights, protect your family. Important disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Immigration law is complex and changes frequently. For specific legal situations, please consult a licensed immigration attorney in your area. The information in this video is current as of December 2025.